Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report for Raider in Kentucky on this RCI-2950dx. Raider got it ready to go for you. Tune alignment. Also did the voltage regulator upgrade. This thing's rocking and rolling. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 5-watt slug. Just a hair under half a watt. Roll it all the way up, 5 watts. 50-watt slug. And average power. Low 20 bird. Peak power. Low 47 peak. And let's get over here 1 second to the oscilloscope. Alright, and here we go. Let's go to the spectrum analyzer. Got your fundamental there and no spikes. There's your beautiful waveform right there. Alrighty, my friend. Hope you enjoy from your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump bump.